In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Monopoly Go account through the official Scopely Help Center. If you've lost access to your account, the safest and most reliable way to start is by going directly to the official Scopely support website in Google Chrome. Open your browser and visit the Scopely Help Center at scopely.com/support. Using the official support page is important because it ensures you're contacting the real support team and not a third-party site. Once the page loads, look through the list of available games and select Monopoly Go. This helps direct your request to the correct support category, which can make the recovery process smoother and faster. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the right game before moving on, since Scopely supports multiple titles. After that, find the Contact Us option, or the button that allows you to submit a support ticket. Click it to begin your recovery request. When filling out the form, include your user ID if you still have it available. This is one of the most useful pieces of information for identifying your account, so adding it can help support locate your progress more accurately. If you copied it somewhere previously or have a screenshot from inside the game, this is the time to use it. Next, provide any account recovery details requested by support. This may include proof of purchase if you've made purchases in the game before, or details showing that your account was connected to Facebook. These details help verify ownership and give the support team enough evidence to restore access securely. If you're using proof of purchase, make sure the information is clear and easy to read before submitting it. If your account was linked through Facebook, provide the connected Facebook details only in the secure support form and not in any public place. Before sending your request, quickly review everything to make sure the information is accurate and complete. Small mistakes can slow down the process, so it's worth taking an extra few seconds here. Once submitted, keep an eye on your email for a reply from Scopely support, since they may ask for additional verification before completing the recovery. That's the full process for recovering your Monopoly Go account through the official Scopely Help Center. If you follow